Think you know all the best joke products from Weasley's Wizard Wheezes? Let's test your knowledge. Which fireworks from Weasley's Wizard Wheezes cause uncontrollable chaos? Weasley's Wildfire Whiz-Bangs. Which product line, aimed at witches, includes love potions? WonderWitch products. Think you've mastered the basics? Like this video if you got these right. Which devices create diversions by running off and making loud noises? Decoy detonators. Which Weasley's product allows users to experience a realistic daydream for 30 minutes? Patented daydream charms. Which product creates instant, impenetrable darkness? Leave your answer in the comments and share your score with us. Part 3 coming soon. We'll link the complete quiz in the description.